YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Chase right back with another video. Right now, I am in front of Pizza Hut right now. I'm trying to decide, do I want to go in here and go get some pizza, or do I really want to go get some wings? I know Pizza Hut has wings as well, but for some reason I got taste for lemon pepper wet instead of dry. And I'm trying to think, the only place that have wet is Buffalo Wild Wings, I think. Let me call real quick. Alright, so we made it back in the car. We got our lemon pepper honey barbecue wings. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Look at that. Oh! Oh! Don't forget. Got them cinnamon joints. Don't forget. Ah. We got the most enjoyable thing right here. Can't forget the pizza. So we're gonna get this little thing on there real quick. Can y'all see? Get some of these little wings up in here. Probably can do thumbnail like this. Nope, can't. That would have been nice though. Got my wrench. So, what I'm gonna talk about in today's video, I think it's about to rain. Matter of fact, before I get too comfortable, I gotta make sure I have some napkins. I gotta make sure I have my drink close by. I'm gonna be a sad puppy. Okay, gonna put the napkins right there. Oh, and we got the 2 liter on deck, so we're gonna put the 2 liter right there. Open this back up. Put these right here. This right back here. Yeah, it's sure about to rain. Open this icing up. Y'all hear it? I ain't gotta drive too far to my next destination. Big little drink to go down right now. But tell me about y'all day. What you like eating? What's y'all favorite pizza restaurants? Me? I like Pizza Hut. I like Domino's. I like Little Caesars. I'm not a fan of those pizzas that build your own, then you gotta pay for it, then you gotta cook it. I ain't really a fan of that. If you ever ate Sam's Pizza though, over there at the snack area, that's some good pizza too. Who else got some good pizza? Oh, Chicago got some good pizza. Shoot, even the little Lunchables got some good little pizza. Especially just put in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Y'all remember growing up when it was time to go grocery shopping? And your mama was like, I ain't cooking now, y'all better find y'all something to eat up in here. I ain't go grocery shopping for nothing. I used to pop them little Lunchables in the microwave so quick. The only ones I ate cold was the nachos. But if I was at home, well, if I took a Lunchable to school, if I took a nacho Lunchable to school, I had to give me a second thumbnail just in case. You know, you never know. You never know. Gotta have different options for my thumbnail. I normally would eat in order, but I'm just tasting everything to give y'all. It's gonna be good for later on tonight. Back to what I was saying. Nachos is the only ones that I can eat cold if I took it to school. I was never a fan of the Lunchables with the crackers and cheese and stuff. I was never a fan of it. I was never a fan of the little dollar one that just came with the with the 2 pieces. I need 3 pieces. With my Capri Sun and my Nerds. I always went for the Nerds. If the Nerds wasn't my candy, I was disappointed. Or the Crunch Bar. I needed both of those. And then I remember they tried to throw the little chicken nuggets up there, but that wasn't gonna work. I tried them things once, it was disgusting. But now I don't even eat Lunchables like that. That's crazy. This type of weather right here, if you're in your bed while it's raining, you might as well kiss 2 hours goodbye. You're going to sleep. You're gonna take you a nice little nap. I'm a fan of all pieces, but that stuffed crust, it get the job done. I know yesterday, I went to North Little Rock to see if I can find some shoes that I can resell. I ain't found nothing. Found a few items in Little Rock. I was able to get some Supreme items last Thursday. So hopefully they come in before I leave. So I can go pick those up and show y'all. I don't know if I told y'all, but instead of coming home on Fridays, I'm coming home on Wednesdays. I'm still trying to figure out, is it better? But I don't really know. The only thing that make it better is I get to get my haircut on the Wednesday instead of Friday. So it's like, ain't nobody really getting their haircut like that. I know I should have grabbed my jacket. I know lately, let me tell you about last night. We went bowling last night, and I feel all of that. It's different from playing basketball every day than doing activities and you don't feel nothing. But stop playing basketball for 10 months. You feel every little workout or little fun activity the next day. So, some gonna have to give. Cause I ain't really a fan of all this. Even though I work out over the road and I watch what I eat, it's a different feeling. And I wake up, jump rope, make sure I go take my shower, eat right, drink a lot of water. But I think just, excuse me. I think just sitting down for majority of my days is catching up with me. And I don't know how to feel about that. So if you ever go to Pizza Hut, make sure you get like the little 6 wings, honey barbecue, and lemon pepper, because it's good. Very good. I called Buffalo Wild Wings to see if they had lemon pepper wet, but they only got dry, but it's alright though. I was able to mix it here. I'm gonna eat one more pizza, then we about to get up out of here, cause I'm full. I had some of this, I had some of that, I had some of this. And I got a whole lot of this. I remember coming up as a kid, drinking sodas just so I can burp when we had burping contests. And what we used to do, sometimes we used to shake the bottle. I mean, not the bottle, the can. We used to shake the can up just so it could squirt out. And then we'll drink it like that. Kind of miss those days. We gave me a little flatbread, but it's alright though. I come for this, the cheese bread. Y'all let me know what type of pizza y'all like. So we got, let me know what type of food places y'all like getting y'all food at. What type of pizza y'all like. I don't know if I asked y'all what's y'all favorite Lunchables. Answer one of those three. I'm gonna be more than welcome to answer y'all. I like the feedback, especially when I'm over the road. Let me put a smile on my face that y'all be reaching back out to me. I enjoy that. It's so good. We went on our second date, a car eating date. I don't know if we moving fast or not. But we just seen each other 2 days ago. But you know that when the chemistry there, when the chemistry is there, you better not interfere, baby. Don't switch up on me now. Going to clean up. I be forgetting I can edit this. Go ahead and clean up. And just like that, we are done. Oh, excuse me. This has been a good meal. I enjoyed that second date. About to go wash my hands at Pizza Hut. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Chase Way out.